That's right, guys. Behind me is the title company, and that is right, made about $20,000 on this real estate assignment deal. And usually I get these just wired to me. I've been actually telling the title company, actually I'll go pick them up because it gives me an excuse to get out of the house. Our acquisitions team basically goes on all appointments, so I don't got much to do all day. So I'll do my live streams and stuff, but really just trying to get the team going. So I'm about to go work out, but you know, for a quick spur of the moment here, went to the title company, picked up our $20,000 assignment check here, and what I'm gonna do before I go work out is I'm gonna go drive by the property I just wholesaled. Hopefully the cash buyer hasn't started renovating it yet, and we can go over there and talk about the deal. I had no conversation with the seller at all. My acquisitions team actually dealt with the marketing, dealt with the acquisition, locked it up, found the cash buyer, and basically what I do is I drive by and pick them up and basically go behind a camera and just talk about it. So let's go by the property. Let me show you what it actually looks like, how we actually found this deal, how our acquisitions person locked it up, and ultimately how we made $20,000 step by step. Honestly, guys, we did this in 9 days. So I'm gonna show you in this video how you can wholesale real estate in 9 days, make up to $20,000 in less than 9 days in wholesaling real estate. But before I get into it, before I get the keys going, before we go over the house, you know, you need to smash that like button and subscribe to get more videos from me. Alrighty, we're here. So guys, here it is. This is the property that we wholesale for $20,000 right here. If I can flip this over here. This is it. Basically, let's set this camera down here. So basically, guys, for that $20,000 wholesaling real estate check. So basically, you might be asking yourself, Zach, how do you do this in 9 days? This seems so crazy to do. And so basically, the way we did it was we did this through a direct mail lead. So we basically sent a postcard through that mailbox right there, and our acquisitions person answered the call. From there, they had a talk. Unfortunately, this was a pre-foreclosure situation where the person hasn't been paying the property in a while. There's a list pending the property, and it would have gone to an auction, and they would have actually gotten less money than if they did not go through us. So the good part is they did go through us, and we actually found a solution for them. We locked it up for $200,000, which is a lot of money here for Port St. Lucie, and we're basically here. It needed a little bit of work, but it was actually in pretty good condition. So what we did is our acquisitions person, they went inside the house. As you can see in the pictures here, you look at the bedrooms, you can see the actual master bathroom, you can actually see the living room situation. It's actually a very nice property, and this is probably one of the nicest houses I've ever wholesaled. And again, I say this a million times, but I do so many live streams and videos, and I don't break down every single wholesaling deal I do, but I do want to do more of these vlog type things on deals that I think a lot of lessons that you could learn. And excuse the wind and all the crazy noise outside, it means Florida. So the biggest lesson on this $20,000 wholesaling deal was, first of all, I got it done really quickly. Second of all, I did it actually on a very nice property. So if you might be thinking, Zach, I can't wholesale very nice deals. I can't wholesale very nice properties. I mean, just from the pictures I'm showing you right now, this is actually a killer, very nice house. The roof is in absolutely almost immaculate condition, and really I still wholesale this for a $20,000 profit. It was probably one of the easiest deals we've done this month. So I'm really excited to share more content and videos from you guys on this one. But yeah, guys, I was kind of bored today. I mean, our acquisitions team does most of the legwork, so sitting at home thinking about videos to do for you guys, I'm like, you know what, let me just go pick up a check. Let's drive by the house and really show you, but I don't want to go inside of it. I know they're doing construction on it, and they're probably going to flip it, and my cash buyer is probably going to make $30,000 off this deal. Am I upset? No. The numbers were too tight on a wholesale for me to do. Maybe make 25, 30. It's just easier to get the quick $20,000 check. We did try a little creative financing on it, but the way the list pendants worked, we just had to wholesale this one. So that's it, guys. So this is the property right here. So basically, hey, what's up, guys? So it's pretty decent. I mean, if we go around the house here and kind of look here, I mean, it doesn't need that much work. So when we're over here, I always tell my acquisitions person to go around and look. So I mean, some things you can see here is the soffits. You need to go around here. Obviously, when our acquisitions team came, we kind of saw some stucco cracks here. Not really the biggest deal in the world. The outside was not bad, but on the closing, as you can see here, it's just a lot of stuff that had to get done there. But it was actually a pretty decent property. If you want to make $20,000 in 9 days like we did in this one. So the reason why we did so fast is I have the best cash buyers list in the world, guys. We actually sent them the day after we got under contract, and then a week later we basically closed. So in 9 days, we made $20,000. Obviously, you might be thinking to yourself, Zach, I don't have the type of budget you do. I can't go send tens of thousands of direct mail pieces every. The benefit of what I do here is you don't have to spend the amount of money I do to get deals like this. You could easily make $20,000 in less than 9 days with some simple and free strategies. Yes, you can do it absolutely for free. So my favorite free way, if you want to make $20,000 in the next 9 days, I would say what you need to do is pull a government list. If I actually could have found this deal absolutely for free. The way I could have found this deal absolutely for free is if you actually pull the pre-foreclosures list on listrei.com, you get a 7-day free trial to it, and you can actually pull the pre-foreclosures, find the property for free. Oh my gosh. Went to listrei.com, you actually could have pulled this list absolutely for free. Get a 7-day free trial, and what you do is pull the pre-foreclosures in the area. Use truepeoplesearch.com, which is absolutely for free. What you do is just go to Google Voice, download that, and start calling these motivated sellers. And I'm telling you, you would have gotten in front of this motivated seller, could have done the same exact thing with me. Probably can't beat my acquisitions team. They're Rick trained, they're Zach trained, they're pretty good, but you can do the same thing in your exact market, make the same $20,000 we did in 9 days. But if you don't want to do the pre-foreclosures, if you want to do some free ones, some tips I can give you is try some government lists. Evictions, code violations, probates, a free list from the government. You can from truepeoplesearch.com, absolutely one of my favorite ones out there. And cold calling, you got the free scripts. Just ask if they're interested in a cash offer on their property. Go meet them at the house. Go talk to them, guys. This wholesaling business is all about taking action. And us talking to that seller and actually taking the action, actually setting up the appointment to go to this property, helped us land that $20,000 wholesaling check. That is 100% true, guys. Ask yourself, so Zach, how did you find this cash buyer, and why do you have such a good cash buyers list? So again, the reason why we're ultimately allowed to do these $20,000 deals in less than 9 days is because I have a cash buyers list that is chomping at the bit right now to buy properties at a discount. Think about it right now in the current market situation in 2021. Most cash buyers have to go on the MLS and literally bid up 5% over the asking price on most of these properties, and then they rent them out, and honestly, they get a decent cap rate, but they're not doing very well in these deals. But think about this, if I'm able to offer these type of properties right here for 15% below the market value, where I make money and they make money, they would be chomping at the bit. And you can literally give them your deals after the contract. You can literally give them these contracts, and then after you give them the contract, they will buy it within a week. And that's what we do. We have such a cash buyers list that is trying to get all these things that they want to do it like crazy, guys. So that's it, guys. Really appreciate it. And the best way for me to, actually I found this cash buyer from going to listrei.com, pulling the cash buyers in Port St. Lucie, skip tracing them, and then texting them through smszac.com. That's how we found the cash buyer on this deal. And ultimately, when you get the systems going, you can easily make over $20,000 in less than, honestly, a week if you get the right cash buyers, guys. But that's it. So again, guys, it's not a crazy big market. You might be living in a house. You might be living in a city with less than 500,000 people. There's only 200,000 people that live in Port St. Lucie, but I'm still able to sustain a 7-figure, I can make over 7 figures and profit my real estate wholesaling business in a city with less than 200,000 people. Again, there's a lot of virtual wholesaling, things like that, but really, you can sustain it. You don't want to make an excuse for your business. Taking action will give you the results you want, so there should be no excuse, guys. Okay, so Rick just informed me that I have to make this video a vlog, so I guess we can't end it now because I got to show you what the rest of my day looks like. And unfortunately, I have marketing people who are marketing for me, I have acquisitions people that are on the appointments, and we have properties on the market, and basically our cash buyers pipeline's basically full. So I guess the last thing I can do here is just go work out. So for a bonus here, if you're gonna go watch me work out, let's go do it. All right, guys, so I'm driving to the gym right now, but obviously when I'm driving here, I wanted to provide some value because I could have done a little montage of me driving there from Port St. Lucie to my gym, but basically wanted to talk really quick on I get a lot of questions like, Zach, how are you able to basically do nothing all day while making 7 figures in wholesaling? So I'm able to live this lifestyle, which I don't even have to pick up checks. I don't really have to do much all day, and at 21 years old, it's pretty amazing. So the way that I'm able to do this is basically through delegating my tasks. You know the task of wholesaling real estate, you're marketing, you're cold calling, you're actually trying to reach out to sellers all day, and you're basically running on appointments, you're running through head cutoff with cash buyers, then you got closings, you got everything going out here, and oh my goodness gracious, guys, like you think that's literally all you do, and that's what most wholesalers do. But really, if you want to scale up and make 7 figures, you're gonna have to delegate these tasks. And what I mean by that is you're gonna have to hire people that aren't as good as you at your job, but hopefully they're 80 to 70% as good as you, and they're able to double your revenue. So would you rather get 70% of $2 million or 100% of $1 million? We took the first one, 70% of 2 million, which it's not 2 million, it is 7 figures in profit. And basically me and Rick, we basically, if we really wanted to, we could work 3 to 4 hours a week. And that's basically it. I mean, I could quit Flip with Rick. I could stop the YouTube channel, not really help anyone out, and basically stop giving free content and basically just work 3 hours a week and basically just do nothing all day. But really, I kind of get bored, so that's why I have this hobby here of the YouTube channel, like videography. So basically just trying to help I'm just trying to help my generation of real estate wholesaling, everyone in their teens, in high school, in college, really get into wholesaling real estate. Basically, I'm able to do this through delegation. So I have people doing the marketing for me, all basically the legwork, talking to sellers, setting appointments, lead management, all that fun stuff. So basically, I have the freedom to do whatever I want. And honestly, that's how we get into real estate wholesaling. We choose this because we don't want to have a 9-to-5 job. And if you're doing it wrong, it will be a 9-to-5 job. So we basically were able to do 7 figures in profit while literally not working much at all. It's the hardest part is finding the right people, I would say. But once you get that going and you're able to make 7 figures in profit and you're able to do like 5 hours of work, it is one of the most game-changing things in your life. And honestly, I'm not telling you got to do it now. I think you should be the master at wholesaling real estate by yourself first before you hire more people. But it's just something I think you guys should keep in the back of your mind. If you're making 6 figures now and honestly, you're getting tired of working 40, 50 hours a week, maybe working 67, you're doing everything yourself, I don't want you to burn out and quit this business. I mean, if you do anything enough, you're gonna get burned out on it. I mean, you might like eating pizza, but after your second or third pizza that day, you might get sick of it. But pizza's awesome, wholesaling's awesome, but wholesaling 12 hours a day will literally drive you crazy. So actually, hold on, while I'm pulling in here, I took a quick turn right here while I'm driving to the gym because basically from that one property I actually did a vlog on this one. Do you guys remember this one? This was from a way earlier vlog, this property right here. This one, oh my gosh, they painted this thing blue. But it's actually on the way to the gym. And that was a property we wholesaled, older video. But that one, I think we made at least 30 to 40K on, and that was one of the best ones out here. And we've actually done like 3 deals on this street. So Rick did one. This is the canal right here. Let's see here. Just want to drive by, really show you guys real quick. This one, Rick wholesaled that one. That was a way older one. That's when I first got into real estate. I actually didn't make any money on that because Rick was doing his own thing. And we wholesaled about a couple of them, but let's go to the gym. But basically, I just wanted to really show you guys really quickly. And obviously, because I'm addicted to this wholesaling stuff, if I'd done 2 deals on a street before, I'm definitely gonna go look through really quick. Just a little habit for me that I basically picked up ever since I was a youngin' in high school. But look at this. Ooh. Hold on, guys. Basically do a quick driving for dollars for the gym real quick. I don't do it too much, but if I've done a deal on a bunch of streets and I'm basically bored, I might go try to do some driving for dollars. So I picked up one here, and but we did a killer deal on that one. So if you look right here, this property right here, screen's all tarnished on that one, so I'm gonna take off that address really quick. It's on a major street, but basically, if you guys are able to, you could delegate your tasks so they do all the heavy work for you, and you basically can sit behind all day and you can wholesale real estate without working much, and you won't get burned out, and you're able to just do whatever you want. Think about it, if you got kids or a family, you can literally live the dream life that you want. Why not working a lot of hours a week? I mean, I'm making money where people should be working 90 hours a week. I mean, at 21 years old, people would only dream of having this kind of income, especially with this time I got on my hands. So basically, I just feel so blessed in this business that I really wanted to give free stuff out. Like we make enough money in the wholesaling business, and I don't even work at all basically in it, that I got to give back. And this is kind of my form of charity to the wholesaling community. Give all my stuff for free, but basically this is kind of unbelievable. So let's go to the gym. I think I got enough ranting out for you guys today, but just think about delegation for a minute. Again, there's free PDFs to the book Traction you can go look at. You can always pay for the book, but it's a great book if you actually want to get into delegation. It's a little high level, but it's pretty good if you just want to start thinking about things. But basically, let's start driving to the gym here. All right, guys, made it to the gym. That's it. So I won't record my workout. It'll be a little boring for you guys, but I really appreciate you guys watching this stuff. If you get any value out of it, remember, smash that like button and subscribe. I'll show you how you can make tens of thousands of dollars in wholesaling real estate absolutely for free. No gurus, no courses, anything. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day.